Let's do a cold start on the 03 Toro since the tune-up. And this right here, that's what a sharp blade will get you, a nice even cut. You can see like right here, that's with the old blade. See how it just shredded the end of the grass blade? Now that one would be more susceptible to disease with that, but a nice even cut, it just, look at that perfect angle right there. So yeah, all that work I did was a success. And once again, this has been a follow-up video on this tune-up work I did on the Toro lawnmower on the 9th of May 2021. Thank you for watching.